Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, stocks fall, yields rise after hotter than expected inflation reading. Dollar index looks bullish right now, standing at 102.85, close at the resistance level. But if you look at the body language of the market here, then market seems to be going higher. There's a high chance that on Monday, dollar index will try to move towards 103.50, the next resistance, by breaking the current level here. Okay. As we all know that for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important, and right after the market opening, we don't get to see much volatility and volume. So right after market opening, my dear friends, if you see market forming few red candles or small red candles, do not consider it as a trend reversal. Only because of less volume, market would not be able to move higher. And by European session or US session, there's a high chance that market will try again to break the level of 102.85 and move towards the next resistance of 103.50 to 103.60. This is the next resistance. Okay, so this is all about DXY, dollar index, and dollar index really looks bullish right now. Let's wait and watch. Okay, so I'll be coming on Monday again if something odd happens. Okay, if market surprises us, obviously I'll be updating on Monday as well. The reason behind talking about dollar index is that if dollar index shows extreme buying on Monday or by next week, then obviously we will see the pressure on the chart of Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD and others. As a result, knowing the important levels, critical levels of DXY or dollar index is very important. If you look at the forexfactory.com, then you can see that on Monday we don't have any big event for dollar. Okay, so yes, we can expect that mostly the technicals will dominate the market. On Monday, Tuesday, we don't have any important news for the dollar. And if you look at the chart of Euro USD, then my dear friends, nothing much to talk about the chart of Euro USD right now, because after this fall, okay, you can see Euro USD is sideways. I'm coming after 3 days. Okay, I already told you guys that I'm out of station, and suddenly there was my mother's health took a bad turn. Okay, so as a result, I could not upload videos. But still I can see that Euro USD is inside the same range only. And whenever we at a range bound market, then obviously the trading opportunities are very less. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, then obviously you can see the same range here. But yes, we do have some minor levels on the chart. If you prefer to trade on minor levels, that's your personal choice. But otherwise, if you're looking for safe and reliable levels, then obviously you should stick to the major levels of the market only. And right now the levels are still the same. I was surprised, okay, when I opened the chart of Euro USD, 1.0920 to 1.0905 is still the support for the market. This is the support for the market on Monday. If you see market around this level, simply switch to 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and just see how the market is doing. If you see market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, will give you the confirmation that buyers are still present, and you can look for a buy position. On the other hand, if you see that market is going below 1.0905, 1.0900 level, do not take a sell position immediately, because if you look at the overall chart of euro dollar, then you can see the overall chart. Okay, this chart seems to be an uptrend. It's trading in a upward channel on a higher time frame. So do not take a sell position immediately. Look for the next support around 1.0880. This is the next support on the chart of Euro USD. I have already told you guys the levels. Okay, the levels have not changed at all. 1.0880, 1.0840. We have discussed about these levels. So if this level fails, wait for the market to reverse from the second support around 1.0880. If market bounces, we can go for a buy. So these are the levels on the chart of Euro USD if market shows downside right after the market opening. But as the market is trading inside a range, as a result, it is better and safer to trade on levels only. Because if you enter on the middle of the chart, obviously you will be gambling with your risk to reward ratio, and which you should not be doing it. My dear friends, if you're wondering right now where the market will go right after the market opening, then obviously we don't have the exact answer, because we do not move the market. We don't have the capital. We are not institutions to move the market. And as a retail trader, it is not possible to understand the market at each and every level. And that is a harsh reality. If you really want to survive in the market, see, I'm not talking about making money. If you really want to survive in the market, you will have to learn how to trade on levels that we understand. You'll have to develop the patience. So in this case also, okay, trade on the levels that we understand. As a retail traders, we have answers for. Okay. For example, 1.0905, 1.0920 is the previous support. As a result, we can expect market to bounce. Then we have again strong support around 1.0840. Okay, already I have shown you guys around 1.0880. We have the Fibonacci retracement. So these are the levels where we can expect the market to bounce if market goes down. And in case market surprises us with upside right after the market opening, then the levels are still the same. Yes, surprisingly, the levels are still the same. 1.1050 is the first resistance, but this time, okay, this time do not take a sell position immediately. The reason is that market has already tested the resistance level 4 times. Okay, and if market tests the level too many times, it is better to avoid it. Okay, because there's a high chance that market will be going for some stop loss hunting. Already market has done some SL hunting last time. Okay, so be careful. On the chart of Euro USD, the strongest resistance is around 1.1150. Okay, if market goes up and reverses, then we can look for a sell, but this level is far away, so no need to discuss right now. But yes, as of now, your immediate resistance is around 1.1050 only. Simply switch to 1 hour time frame. If you see market reversing, you can look for a quick sell around this level. Apart from this resistance, I don't think so we have any reliable immediate resistance right now. The levels that we have right now, for example, 1.1000. Okay, this is also a round number. It's a psychological resistance, but as of now, okay, let's wait and watch. If you're a day trader, okay, if you're a day trader, then obviously Euro USD is not the ideal chart for you. If you're madly in love with Euro USD, obviously you will be trading on Euro USD. But otherwise, if you have an open mind, then obviously you should be looking at other charts, because Euro USD is not the right chart for you. Okay, if you're a day trader. Personally, I will not place any position on Euro USD for the next couple of days, as long as I see Euro USD trading inside this range only. Okay, that's okay. Obviously, that's an honest confession. I have nothing to hide about. And my dear friends, thanks a lot for such an overwhelming response for our Hindi channel, Avianca School of Finance. Those who understand Hindi and those who have not subscribed, okay, feel free to subscribe to our Hindi channel, Avianca School of Finance, for regular market updates. कि यहाँ पे हम लोग रोज शाम को यूएस सेशन से पहले अपडेट्स डालते हैं, एनालिसिस डालते हैं, ताकि आपको मदद मिले यूएस सेशन में ट्रेड करने के लिए. एंड वी हैव बिग प्लान्स, मी एंड माय वाइफ. ओके, हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे एजुकेशन कंटेंट्स भी डालेंगे, क्वालिटी कंटेंट्स डालेंगे, ताकि आपको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एजुकेशन भी मिले. अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, फील फ्री टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, ये मैं गाना सुन रहा था. ओके, एनीवेज माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, enjoy the weekend, have fun. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.